Hey, this is Dr. Farkas. I'm going to go over the TENS unit. Comes in this case. And it should come programmed, pretty simple for you. It should come with the ear leads attached. Pretty easy operation. Let's see if I can show it to you. Press power. Now after about a minute, you're going to see that it locks. You're going to see a little key appear there, and that's to make it so that if you have this in your pocket and you're walking around that you can't push any buttons in order to change the settings. But this is what it's going to look like. Oh, I hope it's not backwards. Where it says TENS at the top, and where you're going to have the setting at is on 2. If this makes your ear sensitive, you can always go down to 1. Some people need to start at 1, and we just go for about 10 minutes, but I'd like for you to work up to 2. Sometimes as you do your treatment, you're going to notice that you get sensitive. You'll feel a pulse in your ears. Sometimes it can get a little sharp, and you can turn it down, but I kind of want to wait and have it lock so I can show you what it's like to unlock. And to turn it off, you just hold the power down, and it'll turn off on its own. But while we're waiting for it to lock, what I want to point out is that there are 2 ear clips. It doesn't matter, there's no left or right ear clip, but you'll notice that there's a thick part and a thin part. The thick part goes towards the front, and you put it right in the thick, meaty part of your earlobe on that side, and then use the other one on the other side. So, and like I say, they're red and they're black, but it doesn't matter. You can use it for either one. So there we go. It locked. You can see here there's a little key symbol, and the way you unlock it is to push this button right here in the middle on the right. That will unlock it so that you can then turn it off. So there's also, it takes 9-volt battery. There's also power that you can plug into the wall if the battery dies. And I want you to start off with 10 minutes, 2 times a day. You could go up to a maximum of around 20 minutes. It's never going to hurt you to use it, but try to use it very consistently. Consistency is key. That's going to get you the best result. While you're doing this, what I'd like for you to do as well is stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system even more by doing belly breathing. And a lot of times when we get stressed, we just breathe shallow breaths. But what we want to do is take a deep breath in and push the stomach all the way out. And what that's doing is that's lowering the diaphragm all the way down. Breathe in, lowers the diaphragm. Blow out, diaphragm comes all the way back up. And don't struggle to do this. You shouldn't be shaking or twitching or anything when you do this. Remember, what we're trying to do is hack into your autonomic nervous system and stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system to bring down the sympathetic fight or flight nervous system. So remember, it's kind of like a teeter-totter. One goes up, one goes down. When the stress goes up, normal digestion, relaxation, sex and stress hormone production goes down. What we're trying to do is a biohack and stimulate this. Do that breathing along while you're doing your TENS. You don't have to do it every breath, but I'd like for you to try to do like sets of 2 and 4. And if you feel that little bit of shake or that tremor, then that means that you're going a little bit too far with it. So thanks for using your TENS unit. I hope it'll really benefit you, and I'm here for you. Reach out anytime.